I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new device on Freedom Mobile can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to get it done. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the activation process, make sure you have your new device, SIM card, and any necessary account information handy. This includes your Freedom Mobile account number if you're retransferring an existing number. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Power off your new device and insert the Freedom Mobile SIM card into the designated slot. Make sure it is seated properly to avoid any connectivity issues. Step 3. Power on the device. Turn on your device and wait for it to boot up. Once it is on, you should see a prompt to activate your SIM card. If not, you may need to go into the settings to initiate the activation process. Step 4. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. This may include selecting your language, connecting to Wi-Fi, and entering your account details. Make sure to double-check your information to avoid errors. Step 5. Test your connection. Once activated, test your device by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your device or checking the network settings. Sometimes the APN settings may need to be adjusted. If you follow these steps, you should be able to activate your new device without any hassle. Good luck and enjoy your new phone.